The rectangle and square will satisfy all the properties of parallelogram. And in the rectangle, each angle is here 90 degree, and the square is also each angle is here 90 degree. That's the reason the diagonals are equal. Only in a quadrilateral where we can see the diagonals are equal to each other means only in the rectangle and the square. Why? Because the each angle is here 90 degree. That's why you need to remember this one. The diagonals are equal in the rectangle also, and diagonals are equal in square also. I will show you. See here, it's a rectangle. You can see it's visible also. It's a if I kept here straight, it's a 90 degree. It's 90 degree. It's a 90 degree. 90 degree means it should be a perpendicular line. Okay, it's a 90 degree. Then the diagonals are here equal to each other. We can see here diagonals. Here, this is the one diagonal, this is the one diagonal, and this is the one diagonal. Diagonal means it is the line segment joining the opposite vertices, not adjacent vertices. This is called diagonals. So you can see the equal diagonals. If I bend like this, see here the angles are changed. No angles are not equal to 90 degree. No, here angles are not equal to 90 degree. One is obtuse angle, one is acute angle. So here how the diagonals are? See, this is the one diagonal, and this is the another one diagonal. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. When the diagonals are equal means the quadrilateral angle, each angle is 90 degree, then the diagonals are equal. We can see in only rectangle and the square. Now see, whenever I bend this, I'm bending more, this diagonal will becoming here from the diagonal forming from the two acute angles. It's the diagonal is increasing in length, and diagonals made from the obtuse angle is the decreasing in the length. Okay, see here. If I make here straight, then the diagonals are equal. So that's the reason you remember here in the rectangle and the square, the diagonals are equal and they are bisect also. In all the parallelograms, the diagonals are bisect each other. And they made here two congruent triangles. Here also two congruent triangles. Here also two congruent triangles. And here also two congruent triangles. Next is rhombus. Here all the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Here also all the sides are equal to each other and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Angles, opposite angles are equal. Here not each angle are equal to 90 degree. In the each angles are equal to 90 degree means it will become square. Here only opposite angles are equal and the adjacent angles are supplementary.